Alright, so I'm going to show you how to download Kahoot app from your mobile phone when you have games inside the classroom and then the teacher requires you to download Kahoot. So you go to your app store. So you search Kahoot. I already searched it a couple of times to show it to the parents. So you click install. Alright, when it's finished installing, then you open the app, click open, and then it's okay not to log in, so you just click next and click the blue one as a student, and then it will ask you your age. So you just, for example, I'm 12 years old, and then usually you don't need to do anything unless you want to create a Kahoot. Then you can click Kahoot. But here we have home, create, enter pin, Kahoots, and your reports. So here you just need to enter the pin which the teacher will give to you. And we have here, I'm opening my Kahoot also in the laptop. So you're just going to enter the game pin, and then you put your name, Mona, or whatever, and then the teacher clicks start, and then you can play. You can watch in the screen in the computer, and you put your answers in your mobile phone. For example, is it the red triangle or the diamond, the blue diamond? Which one is the answer? So we have here, it's wrong. So let's try it. One more question. That's like what it shows when you're wrong. And then we have another question. What is it? It's then in the screen it will show a picture. You just click either of the two options, and this is what it says when you're correct. So I'm gonna end the game for now because I just wanted to show you how to download and do it correctly. So we have here the first place, next, not now, maybe later. So you can't do, it's okay if you don't need to, it's okay not to fill out anything. The most important thing is to enter the pin which the teacher will give you during your classes, both online or not online. So thank you for watching.